Go to detpractice.hub.com and click Login to register your account. Choose Sign Up and fill out your name, email, and password. Choose this for our tips and promotions. Then please go to your mailbox and verify your email address. You confirmed it. Let's go to our practice platform to take your first full test. Choose Full Test and get started. Next, choose Full Test 1 because it's free, and click Yes to start your test. The test lasts 1 hour as the real one, so make sure you have an undisruptive 1 hour consecutively to focus on the test. And you will see this feedback when you complete your full test. We'll share your estimated overall and all subscores. More importantly, you will know whether your performance is good or not good yet for particular question types. And please follow our feedback to improve your scores more effectively. Your most efficient practice platform is here.